Have you ever gone out to a bar and got a cocktail that tasted so good, you knew you had to go home and figure out how to make it for yourself? But then you realized it's a little more complicated than you thought, you can't find the right recipe anywhere, and maybe it's just not really worth your time. And with everything going on lately, I've had so many people reach out to me asking how to make their favorite cocktails, what to do with these extra bottles of alcohol they have lying around. And honestly, it's been a bit overwhelming. And then a friend reached out to me and said, hey, you should create a cocktail flashcard set. And that was brilliant, and that is where Cocktail Cards was born. Hi, I'm AJ, the creator of Cocktail Cards, and I'm really excited to bring over 10 years of bartending experience to give you a full-on cocktail class in a box. What Cocktail Cards is all about, it's a flashcard style course where you actually get to learn over 100 of your favorite cocktails. But I've even taken each cocktail and I broke them down step by step for you to ensure to make the perfect cocktail every time. The cards are incredibly easy to use. All you gotta do is open the box and grab your card. On the front, I have a history section that goes over the origin of the cocktail so you can relive the creation and the era that the drink comes from. And then you're gonna wanna flip it over. Now on the back, I gave you 3 main sections here. One is gonna be tools and glassware. This way you ensure that you have everything you need to make the cocktail. Now the ingredients, you gotta make sure you have everything you need to make the drink. You have your amounts here, and these are the recipes that I've acquired over 10 years of bartending and doing lots of tastes and lots of tests. In the middle, this is where you have the step-by-step instructions. It tells you when to add it to the shaker, when to add ice, how long to shake your drink, how to strain your cocktail, how to garnish. It covers all the steps, and they're all unique to each and every cocktail. So there you have every single instruction you can possibly need to create bartender quality cocktails on a single flashcard. But that's not all we added on. On the bottom right, there's also a QR code. Now this QR code is actually unique to each and every cocktail. All you gotta do is point your phone or tablet at the QR code and it'll take you to an instructional video that'll show you exactly step by step how to make the cocktail, how to use the tools, and what the cocktail is supposed to look like when you're done. So we went completely above and beyond for any beginner or pro to be able to grab these flashcards and make awesome, high quality cocktails. Cocktail Cards works perfect if you want to make a cocktail for yourself, if you want to do it for you and a partner, and it also works great for having friends over as everyone can grab their own card and make their own cocktail and share it and share the history of the drink as well. So it's really, really fun to have at a party. You can make your cocktails faster because everyone gets to grab their very own card. Now cocktail cards are compact. This box can actually fit in any home bar, and its luxury style even makes it fit in with any type of bar style and even looks professional in a real bar setting. Cocktail Cards is that perfect gift if you want to give it to someone who has a small bar or someone who has a large liquor collection or even an inspiring bartender. I'm so excited to finally share this product with you, an entire cocktail course in a box. So make sure you pick up your set of Cocktail Cards today and pick some up for friends and family as gifts. We're gonna have these out before the holidays, and the more you buy, the bigger discount you get. So join me in becoming a cocktail expert. Let's elevate your home bar. Cheers.